never been on my channel.
Hi! Hi! So, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be playing with my slime. Not with all my slime, but we are going to be doing it.
Samantha again, and Sophia's at, what's she at?
What?
What are you at?
What do you mean?
Channel name?
Samantha I forget. No, that's not. No, it's not. That's not my channel name.
My channel.
Oh.
But anyway.
I don't know my channel name, so.
Here's my backyard.
Write it down in the. I'll just write it down in the description thing. I'll tell you later.
I'll write it in the description.
Yeah.
Say hi, Dion.
In the description.
Hi. Bye, guys.
So, anyways, here's my slime. So stretchy. And yes, I do have a little mouth. So anyways, this is my slime. It's so sticky and so weird. Oh yeah, guys, so that's Lexi, that's Gianna, and my stepsister, my friend are here, and hey, there's a bee. How many bee stingers are in my slime? God, don't ask. And yes, I do have bee stingers in my slime. It's very weird.
I'm about to go Instagram Live.
Instagram Live? So guys, this...
Go watch my live. I'm about to go live.
So anyways, guys, she's going live on Instagram.
Guys,
So...
I need my 5 million fans. Come on.
Hey.
So...
Stop. So mean.
What?
What?
So mean. Kai.
Girls, what are you...
Okay.
So.
Spider.
Spider. Spider. Spider.
Oh, hey guys, it's me, Mackenzie Ziegler, and Maddie Ziegler. You're Maddie Ziegler.
Okay. Oh God. So right now what I'm doing is like I am so stuck on this. So this is like the stickiest slime you could ever think of. Here's your slime. It's drying out, Belle.
Can I have it?
Yeah, here, catch.
Throw it.
So anyways, guys, I really have a channel. Like, I'm gonna have like millions of channels, but it's not gonna be starting today. You can check out my other channel. Whoa! Not right now. You can't check it out right now. Because it's impossible to check out my other channel because I don't have one yet. So if you hack into my channel and delete it, I'm coming for you. Makes me that much stronger. Makes me work a little bit harder. Ew, I thought this smelled better. Okay, anyways, guys, I'm gonna make sure you guys like and subscribe to this video and comment down below which video you want me to do again. I'm already just gonna do all of them since you guys aren't even picking. Well, I think you guys have. I haven't really saw my things. You know what? you guys, please comment down below which video do you want me to do. Nails, slime machine, or I don't know. Just guys, pick, choose, make up your mind. If you guys want me to do all of them, if you didn't know, you can just ask me to do all of them because I literally am just gonna do them. Anyways.
Look how sticky this is.
Yeah, mine's stickier. Okay, so guys, I will see you later, and I'm checking out all my, Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Subscribe for more videos, and bye.